In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Canon Pixma TS4150i printer. This can be helpful if you're struggling to connect to the Wi-Fi or you just want to reset the printer. So as you can see, I'm currently connected to the Wi-Fi, but that will go away once we reset the printer. If you come over to the right, you'll see this orange button. You're going to press and hold this, and then a light is going to blink, and it needs to blink 16 times. So we'll press and hold the stop button. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then we'll release the stop button, and you'll see the power button start to flicker. This is good. And then the button indicating that the Wi-Fi is on will turn off, meaning that the printer has successfully reset. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.